Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you the secrets of getting the CapCut Pro for free, 100% free. So this is what you are going to do. You can get a free Pro on mobile or PC by inviting your friends. So if you are currently using on PC, you can see when you log into the CapCut PC, there will be this option invite friends, this one at the bottom, and also this one. And when you click on that options, this pop-up menu will show you how you can get a free Pro. So you can get a free Pro by inviting your friends with this invite link with your referral code. So for each friend that install and launch the CapCut desktop from your invite link, you and your friends get a 7-day free Pro. So by doing that, you can enjoy Pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and also desktop, and you can get up to 70 days of Pro by inviting 10 of your friends. So you don't need to worry because no credit card required and there is no auto renewal. So if your friends already joined the CapCut, you'll see the numbers in here will increasing the friends you've invited and also the days of Pro that you've got. So just copy on the invite link and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.